The weekend is here. Sometimes I just kind of lose track of these days. They all kind of seem to mush together, but pretty convinced this is the weekend. Let's take you out to Cayucas and look at the crowds out there. And yeah, there are a few people out there. Again, it'll be very interesting to see what the patterns are at some of the beaches over the course of the weekend. And again, we continue to encourage you to practice those social distancing guidelines laid out by the county and the state. Be on KSBY. Your pictures today, Barbara Shands. What a beautiful shot there of the ocean, the glowing blue. Love it with the flowers in the foreground. Great job. Becky Matter, similar idea there. The crashing waves. That is a spectacular picture. And Casey Coleman, yes, you can actually post video to my fan page. I'm TV Dave Hovde on Facebook, and it's not just pictures, but also we discuss weather, news events, and a lot of other stuff. A lot of new folks are contributing on those pictures. I want to welcome everybody. And for those of you thinking about it, get going with that. Just go to the page and just go right to the comment section and just post your picture. Use the hashtag. Here we go. San Luis Obispo for Saturday. Temperatures will be about 80, but not for long. I think it's going to happen right around the noon, maybe 12:30 time frame. By the afternoon, those winds of 20 miles per hour will pull the temperatures back down. Paso Robles, North County, it's going to be another day in the 80s. I think a little cooler on Sunday, but still pretty nice. And winds in the afternoon will be a little bit breezy. In Lompoc, we're looking at right around 70 degrees, but the winds will be sizable in the afternoon, 20, 25 miles per hour again. Santa Maria was 78 today, 80 in San Luis, 84 in Paso Robles. All these numbers are slightly above the average. Santa Barbara Airport, 80. Cuyama, 74. 64 Morro Bay, 77 in Lompoc, 82 at Santa Ynez. Temperatures right now are well off the peaks. You can see for most of the Central Coast, you're looking at middle 60s and slow. Santa Maria, even the beaches, but North County still in the 80s in Paso Robles, 76 at Atascadero, Santa Ynez, 80 in Goleta and Santa Barbara. And look at the winds, 20 to 30 miles per hour. Now, those winds will funnel through the passes and canyons of Santa Barbara County in the evening hours, early overnight, and early morning. So we have the wind advisory. Again, north winds 15 to 30, but local gusts up to 50. Passes, canyons out by Montecito, the Gaviota Pass, places like that. Other places we're going to run into fairly high winds if you're traveling, the Grapevine, yet again. Dew points are much cooler than they were a few days ago, so there's no mugginess in the air. Just wanted to show you that we're going to have night and morning marine cloud cover over the course of the weekend and afternoon winds. That is what the modeling is showing us for the weekend. As we get into next week, though, especially mid to late next week, temperatures are going to start cranking up. Well, there's a look across the west. You can see just some low pressure out there in the Pacific, and the jet stream pattern doesn't change much over the course of the weekend. But watch this. Wednesday and beyond, big ridge pumps up across the west. 90s or better. Late next week is going to be hot. Low to mid 70s Central Coast, low 80s South Coast, and our interior valleys as well, including the Santa Ynez Valley right around 80. Beach is going to be really nice. The warmer of the 2 days at the beach is going to be on Saturday with slight cooling on Sunday. There's the extended forecast. You can see how we cool just a bit into Sunday, then start crawling out of it as we get into Tuesday and Wednesday of next week. Those clouds on Wednesday are high clouds, and you can see how those temperatures in Paso Robles nearly 90 by Wednesday, and they go up significantly, I think, from there for the second half of the week. Back to you.